Sir Mbakani Sechere, I would like to call up Miss Liti. Liti, please come on. KTBL Youth Style Leadership, we like a speaker around Pomsambana Muachasong. Check on HSLC exam la 22,765 students appeared. Qualified 16,406 la Lidila as Sangtam. Tramba Chomang na abaget 19th rank la bi. Sangtam ko tramba kya ani se chona pekya hi sata che bani dam tramba kya ani se chere. And I want to thank God and thank your life and leadership. So you are welcome for this short interview, okay?
Thank you, sir.
So you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hip hop Katoi HSLC ko higher secondary level la 2026 la. Akong cho narabam te ko se chere a big congratulations. Fail thara 2027 advance ko se chere. Okay? Advance. Ko thank you KTBL for your time. It's a youth pastor. Ko we have a limited time. Ko ipatsa along diwala sa cherno lile. Liti.
Yes, sir.
Your name, parents' name, village, and age, please. It's a English course. A Sangtam minute, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Well, my name is Lidila Sangtam, and my father's name is Silatrung, and my mother's name is Sarongla, and I am from Sangtam village, and I am of 16 years old.
Okay, 16 years. Kanyari. Kind of the percentage SLC exam la. Could you share the percentage, please?
I recently appeared my HSLC examination and was able to score 95%, all thanks to the glory of God.
Okay. Ketani kelchang. Kanyari, we are very, very happy. But not jamba ko Sangtam ning zero bani down jamba no muachang. Na kangkang pekya ko how do you prepare? You know, exam ina kadaron chora liti.
Well, it was thanks to the glory of God that I was able to achieve this. To be honest, my study schedule was not that intense. I usually only studied for around 2 to 3 hours, and before I begin my studies, I would always pray to God to help me throughout my studies, and it is only through the grace of God that I was, even though I only studied about 2 to 3 hours.
You mean every day?
Nah, it was not every day, but like occasionally, like 2 to 3 hours a day, and whenever I studied, I gave all my focus on what I was doing, and with that, I was able to make it.
Okay. Kang new discipline,
Yes.
kang diligent. We believe that God will repay us back, so it has been fulfilled. Hate ko na kang Allah diligent, kang ate Allah focus, akang rasya bala dinung. Ko this is just a beginning, little, okay?
Yes.
So, what's your advice? Lamnu sharti kar fail sabali le kar na khangla class 8, 9, 10, kang 12 kang azrite siya nalam chong kar. What's your advice?
Well, my advice would be really simple. To anyone out there, I would like to say that put God first in everything you do. Stay focused, stay consistent, and always remember that you're not alone in this journey. And also surround yourself with people that encourage you to, get to a better version of yourself and encourage you to grow your faith, and always believe in God.
Okay, always believe in God, focus, because this is a generation of focusless, distracting every second. See, so we should focus, right?
Yeah.
Icherale ko ila isa atoi minute second apum the reels to thing ro alam thing. Okay. Kang akang sram ban chai puche khang. Not to kanyero. What do you want to become, Liti?
Well, if everything goes through the plan of God and everything goes according to plan, I would like to become a data scientist.
Okay, data scientist.
Yes.
Great. Data scientist. I think it will come public with the
Well, a data scientist is like a person who works with data. They collect information, data and stuff from platforms. They collect the data, like clear them, and they work with the data. They modify it and clear it, and then they make models of the data. Like, for example, like on Instagram, everyone uses Instagram. Data scientists take information of how many people uses Instagram and what they do on the platform. They store all the data and make a model of it. Like this many people like are interested in this stuff, and they can also predict the future. Like this kind of videos will be how do I say, like this kind of ideas and stuff will be helpful to the creators.
Yes, analyze support.
Yeah, they analyze data.
And they will give information. I was told by the data scientist, luck theory, luck summary, so data scientist is very important, I believe. So it is a huge challenge. They go data scientist and prelims and they focus on Apum Allah Hila Chen Yutricalo Rapum Lidila data scientist Kaunubu, but it's a new thing for me also. I take with data scientist Trambana Muacham. So do you want to share anything? Nalam Kat Anita Sharon Mary Laura come along Divar things this. Are you Kermilla?
Not much.
Come what about the prayer of your parents?
Yeah, well. Yeah, I was able to get here where I am today only because of the prayers of everyone who has supported me in this journey, especially my parents.
Okay.
They have been with me throughout my entire journey, even when I thought I wasn't able to do it. They encouraged me a lot, and yeah.
Great. Atau yo tangi danung ko api hita shu lor ko boi sa ti yore Joshua khatu kela wani ta kichere ko la jera apam din khatu ta kichere tram bai. Let me read out Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. Let the using vakatsa nar mabate king nyanya roma mo ko atsi king ko atsa chacho chalicho apam piching azakang na mo wanu ko ako munu Serum by you, Lidila Nagum, Chezala de Katable, Pecaropolo, Serum by the Animal Sekino, Aromankino, Tolayopono, Lomnaponidakam, Nutza, Movanuko, Ako Munu. Translation English like wherever you go, you will be prosperous and be successful. Hidayula Tego is an album, Serum by you. Gitlan usually Sram Bata Kutasonu, Focus Sanu, Masicho Kikang, Amawalile, Ko Atau, Tomata, Yan Tomata, Sangtam, Sudars, Atoli Labor, Nagar Betesa, Nagamku is a testimony. So God bless you and God bless your life ahead. It's Abum Ketan Kipchen name.